launching the 4G Caravana. We have launched 1 month ago 4G in more than 1,000 localities in Romania. We are covering 50% of the Romanian population. This is unprecedented coverage in Romania. We are covering as well 70% of the urban population, and very happy to launch this here in your beautiful city of Cluj. Cluj is a very special region for Orange. We are counting very large number of customers in Cluj. So, you know, at Orange we are very well centered on our customers, and this is the reason why we launched in Cluj. So we are also launching not only 4G, but as well at the same time the second generation of 4G, which is called 4G Plus. So 4G Plus is like combining two channels of 4G and offering speeds as high as 300 megabits per second. So with 4G and 4G Plus, we are unleashing very fast broadband in Romania. So no need to be hooked up to the wall anymore to enjoy great movies, to download pictures and to send pictures to your friends. It's going now very fast, very quickly, very conveniently.